Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Hey guys, I go by the name Lollipop. Lollipop. Waiting my eyes no go see. Inside life, inside Naija. See wetin I see, so I say make I share with you guys. See what I saw. Okay, what is it? It's about our own Nollywood actress. That's Mercy Aigbe. Mercy Aigbe was seen in a short video, barbing Alhaji's hair. Yes, now she be their husband and wife. So what is wrong there, Abi? What is wrong in barbing my husband hair? Nothing is wrong now. But now reactions are strayed this video of Mercy Aigbe barbing her husband hair. Yes, so because it seems they are now saying Mercy Aigbe has turned from being a professional actress to a ogbonge barber now. So, and you need to see people's reaction. You need to see what some people wrote. Let me read some comment to you. One quiz lottery here says someone said she don't barb the man says comot. Banga, Nigerians, na do well. Another one, this one na Nat Ears 147. He said, no be sense she dey barb comot so. How person go dey use Fensic abi paracetamol for another person headache? I don't know. And this one, make I give you. This one na Freaky Bori Hotu. He say, Alhaji, you let Mercy the video you so she go upload to pepper your first wife, Emorasi. That's what we see am. That's so as you see am, that's what I see am. Now so people just dey talk, blah 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 blah. Nigerians, you know now, you know we now. Nothing we see we no go talk about. So that's what it do. You can watch the video. I beg people, drop your comments. Is there anything wrong in you barbing your husband hair? It's a question, though. Don't attack me, please. It's a question. Is there anything wrong in that? Please check out the videos. Last, everybody will do alright.